How much pressure do your bones endure? Let's find out why. Your bones are absolutely amazing. So stay with us and get ready to be amazed. What makes our bones so special? Bone structure. Bones are made up of collagen, which provides flexibility, and minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which give them hardness. This combination makes bones strong and light at the same time. Bone parts. Each bone has a complex structure. The outer part, called cortical bone, is dense and hard. Inside, we find spongy bone, which is lighter and has spaces filled with bone marrow. Bone types. There are several types of bones in our body: long, short, flat, and irregular. Each type has a specific function. For example, long bones, like the femur, act as levers for movement, support, and movement. Bones give us structure and support, allowing us to stand and move. They act as levers for muscles to generate movement, protection of vital organs. Many bones protect vital organs. For example, the skull protects the brain, and the rib cage protects the heart and lungs. Mineral storage. Bones store important minerals like calcium and phosphorus, releasing them into the body as needed to maintain physiological functions. Blood cell production. Red bone marrow inside some bones produces blood cells through a process called hematopoiesis. Did you know that your bones are incredibly strong? Let's dig deeper into bone strength and how they compare to other materials. Tensile strength. Bone is 5 times stronger than steel in terms of tensile strength, meaning it can withstand more force without breaking. Experiments and demonstrations. Let's perform a small experiment to show how bones support weight and pressure. We'll use models to demonstrate bone strength. The strongest bone in the body, the femur. The femur is the longest and strongest bone in the body. It can support up to 30 times the weight of the human body, making it a marvel of natural engineering. Your bones not only keep you standing, they're also an incredible factory for blood cells. Let's explore how this process works. Blood cell production, hematopoiesis, red bone marrow, located inside long bones, is responsible for the production of blood cells in a process called hematopoiesis. It produces red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Red blood cells. They carry oxygen from the lungs throughout the body and remove carbon dioxide. White blood cells. They are essential to the immune system, helping to fight off infections. Platelets. They help in blood clotting, preventing excessive bleeding in case of injury. Adaptability and regeneration of bones. What makes your bones truly amazing is their ability to adapt and regenerate. Let's see how they do it. Adaptability. Stress response. Bones are constantly remodeled in response to physical activity and stress. When we exercise, especially weight-bearing activities like lifting weights, bones become denser and stronger. Osteoclasts and osteoblasts. Osteoclasts break down old bone, and osteoblasts build new bone. This remodeling process allows bones to adapt to new demands and repair microdamage. Regeneration, healing process. When you fracture a bone, the body has the amazing ability to repair the damage. The healing process includes several stages: formation of a hematoma, creation of a soft callus, then a hard callus, and finally bone remodeling. Real example. Let's tell a story about someone who has recovered from a serious fracture, showing X-rays and the recovery process. Amazing facts about bones to wrap up. Here are some jaw-dropping facts about your bones. Fact 1. The smallest bone in the human body is the stapes, which is located in the middle ear and measures just a few millimeters. It's so small you could lose it in a speck of dust. Fact 2. Despite its strength, 70% of a bone is water. This hydration is crucial to maintaining the bone's flexibility and strength. Fact 3. Teeth are technically part of the skeletal system, although they are not considered bones. They are made of dentin and enamel, the hardest material in the human body. Bone care and maintenance. Finally, let's talk about how you can keep your bones healthy and strong. Tip 1. Eat a diet rich in calcium and vitamin D. Calcium is crucial for bone strength, and vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium. You can find calcium in dairy products, almonds, and green leafy vegetables. Vitamin D is mainly obtained from the sun and from foods such as fatty fish and eggs. Tip 2. Exercise regularly, especially weight-bearing activities such as walking, running, or lifting weights. These exercises stimulate the formation of new bone and strengthen existing bones. Tip 3. Avoid excessive alcohol consumption and don't smoke, as both can weaken bones and increase the risk of osteoporosis. Tip 4. Have regular medical checkups to monitor bone health, especially for older people or those at risk of osteoporosis.